Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02277 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged in as a common user called c#score, which I already created. So now I am going to create one sequence. So I am going to create one sequence with min value and max value. Let us see what is going to happen. Yes, it's throwing error ORA-02277 invalid sequence name, which means that sequence name is invalid. So provide the valid sequence name. Okay, so it will not accept reserved keywords, and also it does not accept numeric. Okay, numbers it does not accept. Okay, so this is the valid sequence name. Okay, so I am giving you some sequence name. Now you can see sequence is created successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-02277 invalid sequence name issue.